Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making some fried dumpling with callaloo. Of course, you guys know I'm in America, so I don't have access to the fresh callaloo, but I did what I could with the canned. This is the ingredients for the dumpling. You're gonna need butter, water, salt, sugar, and self-rising flour. To my bowl, I'm gonna add my self-rising flour, my salt, my sugar, and the butter. And I'm just going to break up the butter into the flour. Now this method is just like when you're making biscuits. However, it's just not as much butter. We're not making biscuits, so you don't need tons and tons of butter, just enough to make the outside crispy and flaky. So you want to break up the butter into the flour just like this. And then you're going to add the water until you form a dough. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So now you're gonna allow the dough to rest for, until we work on the rest of the meal, about 30 minutes. So this is the callaloo right here, onion, peppers, and hot peppers. If you have habanero, use it. I didn't, so I used some smaller chilies. And I'm just gonna chop all the vegetables up. Again, I wanna reiterate that I am in America and I don't have access to fresh callaloo. If you know where I get that at in America, comment below and let me know. However, I've been eating the one from the can. Okay? So anyway, I'm going to chop up my garlic. All of this is going to go down in there just to flavor it. I didn't want to add sawfish to it. Well, number one, I didn't have none. And number two, I just didn't want no meat today. So I just did callaloo and fried dumpling and kept it cute, kept it moving. So I'm going to finish chopping my veggies up and then we're going to saute it down. What you want to do with the callaloo is you want to strain it and you want to rinse it. A lot of people just take it from the can to the pot. I don't do that. I rinse mine with hot water in a strainer. This is how I make my dumpling. A lot of people, they make twirls or they make balls or they make flats. You can make whatever shape you want to make. It does not matter. But this is the shape I'm choosing to make, which is a ball, a flat ball. Pretty much a flat ball, child. It kind of sort of look like a biscuit. And don't make them too big because these are going to swell up. And you don't want no big old baseball dumplings on your plate. So I started sauteing my vegetables, my onions, peppers, tomato, garlic. I forgot to mention that, tomato. You want to add the callaloo and season it with whatever you want to. I use adobo, all-purpose seasoning, and pepper. Make sure you watch your salt. This is a canned ingredient, so watch how much salt you're putting down in here. So just taste it as you go. Mix it up. I cook mine for like 15 minutes. I know it's already cooked, but I cover it and I still cook it for about 15 minutes until I'm happy with it. I don't play with canned foods, y'all. I'm paranoid. So right here, as you can see, my oil was way too hot, but I calmed the situation down and now they're nice and golden brown and perfect. Your oil should be 350 degrees, which is number 5 on your stove. Mine was on number 7. I thought it was on number 5, but I got control of it. These are my beautiful dumplings, crisp on the outside, nice and fluffy, honey, on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. So you take a piece of dumpling. As you can see, I already broke it up over here because I'm using my phone. Take some callaloo, put it on here just like this. Look at this bite. I love callaloo, y'all, but I prefer the fresh. Over the canned. How would I describe this to something American? A vegan pita pocket, where you have the crispy pita bread and you fill it with like sauteed spinach. It's along those lines, but not exactly.